Okay, hello, welcome to my studio. Love what I do. And I am Lauren, in case you didn't know. And I started this video and it was on landscape, so I'm doing it again real quick. Science and art mixed together. A lot of people don't consider paint pouring an art, but I highly disagree because the paint goes everywhere. It makes a crazy cool design, like abstract. It's very abstract art. There's abstract art. And they're mixing all kinds of paints and different things that they do, mixed media artists and stuff. Um, and the science part of it, we're using silicone and Floetrol, you have to thin it out, strain it. I strain it. I put it in my little dollar store container here. I mix it with my paints. The amount doesn't really matter because it's the flow. And I have oceanic colors here, and there's the flow right there. You want to get it like that. It's very important that you get it so it flows not too fast, not just that's a nice one. That's perfect. And I got them all like that pretty much. It's got a good flow. So here's the white. Oh, it's got the red popsicle stick in there. It's got a tint to it. The white I always do a little thicker too. Well, I think I should thin it a little bit more. Get the stick out of there because now it's red. And I got some pretty blue here. That's glowing. That's got a nice little drip to it. No, needs a little more. Some of my cup, all the strained stuff is gone. I need it to be strained. Okay, so I have house paint that I'm going to put down first on my canvas. And, so we use titanium white, which I was explaining the density. It's the densest out of all the whites. You can't use zinc white or regular white. It has to be titanium white because it will push the silicone out, the oil, just like oil and water. And that's how we get those awesome cells that everybody likes. So here we are. Here's my canvas. And I'm going to put some house paint down. These canvases are really nice, and I got the Artist Loft. I got it at Michael's, and the drips come down on the side, so you're gonna put it on here just right in my chest that I can take places, and the paint stays in there. And I think I've got paint on my face. Yep. Okay, so we need house paint. There it is. It's the house paint. It's not white. It's like a gray, but that's okay. It'll work. So you want to make sure it's all inside too. Everything's already nice as is. Which is good. Okay, orange. Now, there's no way that you can do this. You can pour it into one top all colors. I'm gonna just pour it in a circle like I did last one. It's not pretty cool. Okay, ready? Now we got our colors. I think I'm gonna go with the light one first. I'm gonna pour it right in the middle, make a nice big circle. Take my pretty blue here. These are my colors. This one. These are kind of similar, these colors, so. Okay, now my silicone. white. Okay. So now, I'm going to try using a blow dryer, you know that? That's what I'm going to do. Spin it. Boy, there's a lot of white. I'm going to put a little bit more color in here. I should have done a skinnier line, but just keep spinning until you like it. Well, that's pretty cool, but whoa, my hair just went in there. Whoa. Now my sweatshirt. On my badass sweatshirt that I painted. Love, live, learn. Love, live, learn. Love what I do. .art. You can check it out. So here we go. These are pretty cool cells. Kind of like the way that's looking now. It's different. I think I should spin it one more time. And that's all, folks. I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to resin it, which is another video, a resin video. This is just the paint pouring scientific part of it. The mixing resin science too, man. It's got to be mixed exact. I feel like I should do some sort of, here we go, we're going to do this. There we go. Let's spin it again. That's pretty cool. I like that. Alright, look at that. Now that's cool. I'm going to leave it. One more time. One more time. So it spreads out even more. Alright, there we go. That's it. I'm going to leave it just like that. It's pretty wild. Okay, I love it. So I'll resin it and show you what it looks like. Okay. Science and art mixed together. Who knew? Here is my finished product. I resined this one. This one has resin, and it really should be done again because it didn't get all the way on the edges. Like, probably can't see it. It looks good, but came out pretty. And then this one I sprayed with Rust-Oleum. See it? I think this one looks just as good as the resin, and it's easier and cheaper, and it's just as pretty. But it dried nice. They dried nice. Pretty cool. What do you think? There we go. They look good. A little crooked. Pretty, pretty.